back again at the old cabin build site, and I got this up here. As you can see, the wire runs down through here and up, and I tapped this tree. Not very many people know this, but that right there is an inverter oak, and you can just tap them and get power out of them. No, I run a wire up from the house. But anyway, we're going to try to get rid of some trees. That tree right there and its brother are kind of in our way for doing any more progress on the cabin, so we're going to eliminate them. Well, that's better. Kind of opened everything up. And now, very quickly, we're going to have to get all this cut and these moved back and put in their spots and whatever. We're going to have to build another wall because this is not very stable now, so there's nothing to hold it up. So, guess we'll get to work building a wall here. Alrighty, there's another step complete. Well, as complete as we can get until we run out of materials. So we got one up in the back, and we got these up. Got to get a header board to go across the top, or maybe down a little bit. But see, the bathroom is going to be right back in here. I'm going to build a separate little floor. I don't really want the bathroom inside with the rest of the cabin, so it's going to be in the back here. So I'm going to have to build the floor out, but that's fine. And we've been checking for the level and plumb and all that kind of stuff, so that's pretty good. Another shot of the front here. Couldn't get a whole lot done today because of limitations on material, but it's coming along. Yep. That was pretty quick there. Sorry about that. Alrighty, I think that's gonna probably do it for today. It's getting ready to rain, I think. You look up. Looks like it ain't too far away. I don't want to get wet, so I think we're going to call it a day. Dogs are sleeping once again. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.